Today, an HP laptop model 15FD0406 Neo came to me with a blue screen error. First, I tried replacing its RAM to check, but the exact same problem occurred. Then, I replaced its SSD to see if that helped, but still, the problem remained. Replacing both the RAM and SSD did not fix the blue screen issue at all. This means the fault is not caused by the RAM or the SSD of the laptop. The blue screen error might be due to a motherboard or processor issue. Further diagnostics are required. After that, I completely opened up the laptop to inspect it thoroughly. I checked all of its internal components one by one to find the fault. However, every single component tested completely fine without any issues. Since all standard parts were working, I decided to focus on the GPU. Then, I tried reballing its dedicated graphics chip to solve the problem. I carefully reballed the GPU to restore proper solder connections. I am now waiting to test the board to see if it boots correctly. After that, I tried reballing its processor to fix the issue. However, even after reballing the CPU, the same problem remained. Then, I replaced the diode on the board to see if that helped. Unfortunately, changing the diode still did not resolve the fault. Since all component repair attempts failed, I decided to order a new board. I placed an order for a replacement motherboard and successfully installed it. Finally, replacing the motherboard completely solved the blue screen problem.